We are live from Berryfield in Nashville, Tennessee, home of the 118th wing of the Air National Guard and home of the first of the 230th Army National Guard. And the Tennessee Titans would like to welcome Tech Sergeant Keith Lester to announce the next pick in the 2016 NFL Draft.
With the 222nd pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the Tennessee Titans select Aaron Wallace, linebacker, UCLA.
MJD's got to be happy with that one, a fellow Bruin hearing his name called today.
He's an interesting player, Bucky. I would imagine you know a little bit about him. His dad was a second-round pick of the Raiders from the wrecking crew at Texas A&M. Aaron Wallace has a lot of twitch off the edge. He's got a lot of traits. And what's interesting, it took Miles Jack injury to really get him extended playing time. But I saw a player at the beginning of the tape and then the end of the tape who was totally different this year. I think he could end up being a pro player. I like his potential.
You know, it says a lot that he hadn't had an opportunity to play much, but then he shows up in Miles Jack's injury, his absence, makes a ton of plays. He has the bloodlines. That's something to consider.
It's 7 sacks. I mean, he had limited playing time. He had 7 sacks this year.
Yep.